Question 18. In the 20th century, advances in technology, from refrigeration to sophisticated ovens to air transportation that carries fresh ingredients around the world, contributed immeasurably to baking and pastry making. At the beginning of the 21st century, the popularity of fine breads and pastries is growing even faster than new chefs can be trained. Interestingly enough, many of the technological advances in bread making have sparked a reaction among bakers and consumers alike. They are looking to reclaim some of the flavors of old-fashioned breads that were lost as baking became more industrialized and baked goods became more refined, standardized, and, some would say, flavorless. Bakers are researching methods for producing the handmade sourdough breads of the past, and they are experimenting with specialty flours in their search for flavor.